Hi everyone, this is week 4 and we're almost halfway through the course. I can't believe it. Last week we did a great job reviewing chapter 4 on graphing linear equations. And this week we'll explore polynomial operations. That's adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing polynomials, exponent rules, and scientific notation. That's all in chapter 6.1 to 6.7. We will also complete our second test, test 2, which is on chapters 4 and 6. Please review those specific week 4 learning outcomes as well as a sample schedule, which I placed on this weekly overview page. You'll be reading our online OpenStax textbook as well as watching the instructional videos and completing the homework assignments for chapters 6.1 to 6.7. Next, at the bottom of the week's module, you'll be completing 2 lab assignments, Lab 7 and 8. Don't forget to attend at least 2 of the lab support Zoom sessions for assistance. Remember that all the assignments must be submitted through Canvas, including our test. Remember, I cannot accept tests through the email. You must submit the PDF files in Canvas. Additionally, please make sure that you are working in our course in Canvas every day, as well as checking Canvas announcements and emails so you don't fall behind. Don't hesitate to reach out to me for assistance and have a terrific week.